going on, guys? Back on the card trick. Today we are going to be doing the I am able to predict your card trick and tutorial. So let's hop right into the trick. And I actually have a deck collection coming out later. So here's what I'm going to do. Since I usually here ask you to pick any card you'd like, so here you're actually going to just tell me I'm going to feed the cards, just tell me when to stop. Let's just say stop. Okay, right there. You can go ahead and take a look at your card. I'll turn around. Okay. So now you actually know what your card is. So here's what I am going to do. I'm going to show you, so this top card, I couldn't possibly know what it is. It is the 5 of clubs. So now, this gives me a sense. I'm sensing your card is a club, is that correct? It is. And I'm also guessing that it is in the 5th position. So, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th card. Was that your card? It was? Okay. So now, let's hop right into the tutorial. For this trick, you're going to need actually a setup. And I'll use the same suit to make it a little bit easier here. What you're going to need is you're going to need any 5. It doesn't matter which one, you just need one of them. So I'm going to use the 5 of diamonds here. Then you're going to need a card selected, and you're going to actually have to pull a force with this card later on. So here I'm actually going to use the ace of diamonds. Then you're going to need 3 cards, 3 random cards. So I'll pick the 3 of diamonds, the 2 of diamonds, and I'll do the 4 of diamonds as well. Okay, so now, I see 2 of hearts. But here would be your setup, because this would just make the trick easier. And don't pick all of the same card, you just need like 3 completely random cards to make the deck look shuffled. But in reality it's not, so I'll just show you what you're going to do here. You would go, so since it's not like this, but I'm using all the diamonds to make it easier. You'd have their selected, your forced card on top, then you'd have their 3 random cards, and then a 5. Now, obviously in the trick, I used completely random cards and a 5. These 4 were completely random. But you just need a 5 selected, but for this, I'm going to use all the diamonds to make it easier to follow. So, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, those 5 cards are on top of the deck. Now, you're going to go ahead, and you can do any force you want. So, right, you can basically do this, but you have to kind of do this one, because, right, they say stop here. Because if you do it from the bottom, you're going to be screwed up on the top. So, right, they find out their card, and you're going to do this. You're going to secretly just steal their card, and then you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to put it in the 5th. And then you're going to kind of do almost a little move here. With your finger, you're going to go ahead and you're going to flip over this card. But as you do so with your thumb, you're also going to try to push in another card. So you're going to just go like that, and then you're going to be like, okay, so here's the top card. It is the 5 of diamonds. This tells me your card's a diamond. Is that true? It is? Okay. Because you're going to have your forced card, the same suit as this 5. Then you're going to say, I'm also sensing it's in the 5th position from the top. And you'd have the deck, so they'll be like, okay, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th card is going to be their card, if you can pull this off. And you can see here I had a random card. That's because you have to have a random card, like when you're doing this, to do that little move. Or what you could do is you could do a Mexican turnover almost. Like try to do it off the top of the deck. I feel like that'd be too hard. So just go ahead and do any method you'd like there, as long as you can get an extra card into the deck at the same point that you need it. So yeah, that was the trick. I hope you guys like it, and watch out because I'm going to do a deck collection coming up.